The CareLink personal system now has a new way of uploading. This improved experience requires fewer updates and is easier to set up and use. The new uploader replaces the old method, which required the use of Java. Uploading your device data to the CareLink personal website helps you understand more about your diabetes management and allows you to share your data with your diabetes healthcare team. The first step is to sign in to the CareLink personal website and click on How to install Uploader. After you have signed in, click on the Download CareLink Uploader Installer link to save the file onto your computer. Save to a folder that you can easily find, like the Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation. You may need to have full access to change your computer settings, also known as administrator access. You may also be asked to enter your computer's login password. On the first screen that pops up, select your preferred language. Click Next to begin installation. Then click Next to continue and begin the installation. When asked, make sure that your CareLink USB or meter is not plugged in and select OK. When the installation has completed, select Finish. You're now ready to upload your pump data into CareLink. For more information on viewing your CareLink reports and uploading your device, please visit our website.